Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WoodSpring Suites Raleigh Apex. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Value Place Apex is located in Apex, North Carolina. Lake Johnson Park is 12 minutes drive from the motel. Each room here features a cable TV. A kitchenette with stovetop, microwave, and refrigerator is included in addition to a dining table. Laundry facilities are available for guests' convenience. Ferd G Bond Metro Park is 7.8 miles away. Jordan Lake State Recreation Area is 17 minutes drive from the Apex Motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.